Carbon only has 2 unpaired electrons. So how does carbon and butane form 4 bonds? That doesn't make sense unless you understand this one concept. Before we get into the key concepts, let's clear our basics. What exactly is butane? Butane is a simple alkane that is made up of 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms. It is a saturated hydrocarbon, meaning all of its bonds are single bonds, as you can see over here. Now that we have understood what molecule we are dealing with, let's focus on the question I mentioned at the start of the video. How does carbon and butane form 4 bonds when it has only 2 unpaired electrons? For this, let's take a look at the electronic configuration of carbon. To form 4 bonds, one electron from 2s gets promoted to the 2p orbital. This gives us 4 unpaired electrons, which are now ready to form 4 bonds. However, once the electron gets promoted, the orbitals mix together. This mixing of orbitals is called hybridization. In butane, each carbon undergoes sp³ hybridization. This means one s orbital combines with 3 p orbitals to form 4 identical sp³ hybrid orbitals. If you want to understand hybridization clearly, check out our video on it. The link to it will be in the description. Coming back to our topic, these hybrid orbitals arrange themselves as far apart as possible, forming a tetrahedral shape. Now, let's quickly summarize what we have learned today. All carbon atoms are sp³ hybridized in butane. The geometry of butane is tetrahedral with a bond angle of 109.5 degrees. So now you know how carbon forms 4 bonds despite having 2 unpaired electrons in butane. For more such videos, consider hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.